is another DIY video, and I made a very little cute birds out of wool and crochet. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, share with your friends. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So you will need crochet hooks, yarn and scissors, some buttons and needle and thread. Using 5.5mm hook, make a knot and chain 20 plus 2. After that, yarn over the hook and make a stitch of half double crochet to the last chain. Last chain means 2 chains left from the last. Yarn over, put your hook into the chain, and when you have 3 loops on the hook, again yarn over your hook and pull through. Do the same for the rest of the chains. After the first row, chain 2 and turn your work, and again do the same stitch for the second row. I am putting the hook into upper portion of the stitch. I make 24 rows. You can make more rows of your choices. Now yarn over, chain 2 and put your hook into the middle of 2 rows. Make a slip stitch and chain 2 and do the same for all over the square. Now for corner you have to make 2 slip stitches. Now fold your work. You have to stitch this portion. I made this with crochet hook. You can stitch with needle and yarn too. So for this you have to slip stitch these 2 sides. cut the excess of yarn. Now add a button with the help of needle and thread. Now take another piece of wool or yarn and make a chain. This chain should be a little thick, and for that I have doubled the yarn and made a single chain. Now tuck the chain to the another part of the parts. And yeah, that's it. Your DIY crochet purse is ready. Isn't that easy? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And for that I have doubled the yarn and make a single chain. Now tuck the chain to the another part of the parts, and yeah, that's it. Your DIY crochet purse is ready. Isn't that easy? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.